Which is the world's smallest bird? Answer is male bee hummingbirds. How fast do woodpeckers peck? "20 times per second." Which bird has the best eyesight? The answer is eagle. Which is the world's fastest flying bird? The answer is peregrine falcon. Which is the flightless bird found in South America? The answer is ray. Which is the world's cutest bird? The answer is Eurasian wren. Birds replace their feathers periodically in a process called. The answer is molting. Feathers are made up of an insoluble protein called. The answer is keratin. Name the bird that picks their food from the crocodile's mouth. The answer is Egyptian's plover. The study of the birds is called. The answer is ornithology. National bird of the USA. The answer is bald eagle. Which bird can fly straight up, down, and backwards? The answer is hummingbirds. The bird that migrated from the North to South Pole and came back. The answer is Arctic tern. How many puffin birds exist? The answer is 4 million. Which bird's eyes are larger than its brain? The answer is ostrich. Which bird is also known as sea hawk or river hawk? The answer is osprey. Which is the only bird in the world with nostrils at the end of the beak? The answer is kiwi. In which country there are no birds? The answer is Laos. Which country has the most birds? The answer is Colombia. How many birds are in the world? The answer is 400 billion.